Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to set up your Salesforce account. So first of all guys, and as always, I will need you to go to your PC or your devices and then open any kind of browser. Therefore, I will open Google Chrome and here I will put in the URL section the name of Salesforce, which is Salesforce, as you can see here. So basically now I will just go here and I will wait until the website opens, accept everything, and basically guys what I need to do is skip to content, and I will here go down below to see the website. Here it is everything. So take the next step with the new number one, so see selfies in action or start tower. So let's take a tower. Here we go. Now, in order to create our account, we will have to sign up. So to sign up in this account, we just have to put here name, last name, job title, etc. So let's put it randomly. Lolly, for example, here's lab. Let's put this randomly. Okay, this good looks good. One company, lollies, and here phone number. So let's get like a temporary phone number from here, and I will copy this real quick and I will put it here. Let's add this somewhere, something like that. And I would like to receive start tower. So just like so, as you can see here, I have created my account. So just like that, I am in, guys. So start tower like that. You can log in through like here you can choose to get started. You can choose here your company size. So I will choose the smallest one, even though I don't have any company. So here, for example, you can see those videos to have more details. Here you can see everything. So after that, you just have to click on one of these. So let's click on this one, and basically now you will see everything like a quick tower on in this thing. And when you finish this, you just have to click in free 30-day trial. And yeah, you just have to put this again, something like that, start my free trial, and basically we'll be ready to go. So yeah guys, that was it with today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.